I was born in Punjab. I'm from Punjab. My family is in Punjab. In fact, I was sent to boarding school when I was 7 years old, and then I've grown up in Simla, Himachal. And I remember when I was 18, the first time I mentioned to my father that I wanted to go to Delhi to study. I was 17 years old, and he just looked at me and said, like, "Tumhara dimag kharab ho gaya hai." No boy in our family has ever left Punjab. Randomly on a whim one day, I decided to go to Goa to do a yoga retreat. So then again, like, my mother was like, "Have you lost your mind? What the hell?" तो वहाँ पे I was doing a yoga retreat. Then वहाँ से yoga retreat करते करते I started bartending in Goa. So like that I stayed in Goa for a year. फिर then one day I decided कि I want to move to Bombay. But ये नहीं था कि मतलब acting के लिए ये कभी नहीं सोचा था. I think in the first about 4-5 months of moving here, I started randomly getting calls from like casting people, saying, and in Bombay they're always looking for new faces, fresh faces. So and there was a full sense of like freedom that this city is liberating for a girl. Like my first ad was, we need a tattoo artist. And because I had short hair, so they were like, this could work. And I told them I had no tattoos, but they were like, we like the short hair, so we'll give you fake tattoos. So my first ad was like that. They gave me fake tattoos all over. Around the third, fourth ad, I kind of got interested in it because I was like, okay, this is good money on the side, and this is fun. It's not as bad as I imagined. I've done about like 80, 90, 100 ads now. I stopped counting. In my head, I was like, I'm not a star kid, I'm not a Bhatt, I'm not a Kapoor, I'm nobody. So no one's going to just randomly show up at my doorstep and be like, hey Tina, we want to launch you or, give you a major launch. I've gone to auditions, I have waited in queues, waited an hour to get my turn to finally get in front of the casting director. I've done all of that. I've sat an hour, 2 hours waited. I have gone to auditions where I've not been called. I've just gone to Aram Nagar, taken rounds of Aram Nagar, and then walked into studios and said, what are you auditioning for? Do I fit? Can I audition for this? I have walked into an audition room and they looked at me and said, यार एक तो तुम गोरी नहीं हो, ऊपर से तुम्हारा ये boycott है, मतलब how is it ever going to work for you? So you have to be really thick-skinned to not let that hurt you and affect you, and you have to hear it and then still tell yourself, no, it's okay, I'm still going to go to 3 more auditions tomorrow. I've done about like 5-6 months of ads. And this film, I get a call from this film called Fitur from the team, and they were like, we're looking to cast this tattoo artist girl in the film. And then similarly, 3-4 months later, I get a call saying, we're casting for this film called Akira. It's a Fox Studios film. Like, it's a bully's character, and so come and test for us. And then 3 months later, I get a call one day saying, Murugadoss sir really likes your audition and he wants to do a look test with you. And I went to the Fox Studio office and they did a look test, and I was told, listen, we wanted to start shooting in the next 10 days. Also, I want to really inspire girls in this country, especially small town girls, because I am one. Have a dream, have something to look forward to, have a career, have a goal in life. I don't want any man's millions. I don't want to, be with a millionaire. I mean, if he's rich and a millionaire, it's a bonus. But I want to make my own millions. And I think I want to tell all girls in India that go out there, chase your dream, make your own millions, billions, whatever. And don't depend on a man to fend for you or be your support, because, we're stronger than that.